Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0735, indicates an issue with the fifth gear ratio in a Honda Accord model, year 2012 to 2017. This specific error highlights a discrepancy in the expected versus actual gear ratio when the vehicle attempts to engage the fifth gear. The problem is generally related to the functioning of the automatic transmission, AT, particularly the hydraulic system controlling the gear engagement. To engage the fifth gear, hydraulic pressure is utilized to apply the fifth clutch, which connects the secondary shaft and the fifth gear of that shaft. The powertrain control module, PCM, is responsible for monitoring and interpreting the input and output shaft speeds. A failure in this process results in the storage of DTC P0735. This DTC is important for diagnosing problems that can degrade the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. Understanding each component involved in this process is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The error code P0735 is centered on specific components integral to the operation of the fifth gear in the Honda Accord's automatic transmission. The fifth clutch piston is essential for engaging the fifth gear, requiring specific hydraulic pressure for operation. Its location is generally within the transmission casing, making it crucial during gear changes. The feed pipe plays a vital role in directing the necessary ATF, or automatic transmission fluid, to the components that need it. The ATF pump is responsible for pressurizing the fluid and maintaining proper flow, while the ATF strainer filters the fluid, ensuring cleanliness to prevent damage to the transmission. The shift valves control the route that hydraulic fluid takes within the system, influencing which gears are engaged. Each of these components must function correctly to avoid miscommunication that could lead to DTC P0735 being triggered. Several potential issues can lead to the appearance of DTC P0735. Firstly, a failure in the shift control system can prevent accurate gear changes and lead to incorrect ratios being detected. This system is complex and involves electronic and mechanical controls, so pinpointing failures can be challenging. Secondly, if the fifth clutch disc surface is worn, it may not provide the necessary grip for the fifth gear to engage properly. This component is subjected to extreme forces and wear over time, making it susceptible to failure. Lastly, insufficient flow pressure from the ATF pump can lead to inadequate hydraulic pressure in the system. The fluid must be properly circulated to maintain pressure and function smoothly. Any deviations can cause the transmission to misbehave and throw error codes. Drivers may experience various symptoms when DTC P0735 is present. One notable symptom is delayed or harsh shifting, particularly when attempting to engage the fifth gear, indicating potential hydraulic or mechanical failures in the transmission system. Another common observation is an increase in engine RPM without corresponding acceleration, which can signal that the vehicle is not properly engaging the fifth gear ratio. Additionally, the AT gear position indicator blinking can be a clear warning sign that the transmission control module has detected an issue requiring immediate attention. Awareness of these symptoms can help in early diagnosis, preventing further damage to the transmission and maintaining vehicle performance. To begin troubleshooting DTC P0735, the first step is to start the engine. This initiates the vehicle's systems, particularly the automatic transmission, which is crucial for diagnosing the error code. After starting the engine, it is essential to drive the vehicle in the D or drive mode at a speed of 8 miles per hour, approximately 12 kilometers per hour, or more, for at least 12 seconds. This step is vital because the transmission needs to engage the fifth gear under specific conditions to test if the error persists. It is crucial to ensure that the driving conditions are safe and adhere to local traffic regulations during this operation. The PCM will be able to collect real-time data on the shift response during this drive, assisting in determining whether a malfunction continues to exist. Finally, post-repair verification is critical to ensure that the issue has been adequately resolved. After performing repairs related to DTC P0735, confirmation of success should be conducted by clearing the diagnostic trouble code from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using a scan tool. Following this, the vehicle should be subjected to a test drive under similar conditions used in the initial diagnosis to verify that the issue does not return and that the AT gear position indicator does not blink. It is essential to monitor the vehicle for any signs of symptoms associated with the original concern. A successful confirmation means smoother shifting and no issues with engaging the fifth gear during operation. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in keeping the Honda Accord's automatic transmission in optimal condition and can help prevent DTC P0735 from occurring. One vital practice is to schedule regular changes of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Fresh ATF not only lubricates components, but also helps maintain adequate hydraulic pressure. Old or contaminated fluid can lead to issues like wear on the fifth clutch surface or reduced pump efficiency. Additionally, regularly inspecting the health of the transmission can also highlight potential problems before they manifest as serious faults. By being proactive in maintenance, drivers can enhance their vehicle's longevity and reliability while minimizing the risk of expensive repairs in the future. In conclusion, DTC P0735 regarding the fifth gear incorrect ratio in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017 requires careful attention to specific components and symptoms. Identifying the affected components is the first step in troubleshooting, allowing for targeted repairs rather than guesswork. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, including proper diagnostic tests and verification, one can efficiently resolve the issue and restore the vehicle's performance. Awareness of preventive measures ensures that the risk of similar issues arising in the future is minimized. Ultimately, thorough diagnostics and maintenance will contribute significantly to enhanced vehicle reliability and driver satisfaction. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.